who we are today. We are not just gathered here by chance. We are here because of deep, strong roots that were planted long before us. Our parents, our grandparents, and those who have come before them, developed this family, not only with their hands, but with their sacrifice, love, and faith. They endured hardship so that we could stand here today together in joy. Kaya naunungan ako ay manraksak, manimnila, mangkasiila. Nang naman ganda kayo ay sunsumpo. Kaya mo ganda kami, ngayon nabibilang ng agaw na nabatawa.
Ay naawat
Mga
ang
mas
sumsumpo
pakaganda kayo
ay
kung ay sunsumpo ay ang anak.
Hindi, mas naawat ang dato niya. Ang sumsumpo.
And that is something we must not forget. In life, we will go our separate ways. Some of us will travel far. Some will stay close to home. Some will succeed loudly. Others quietly. But no matter where life takes us, we must always remember that we belong to each other. In times of celebration, we come together. But more importantly, in times of struggle, we stand together. May sa ikatawang tinulong, ay ikaila islayat yun, may tinulong ako, may binalang ako, ikat ako, di ba ako magkakan, ikat ako, ipailat ako, nang unos ako. Because the family is not only about blood,
Ay nanure babalo.
magandara ang angay. It is about presence. It is about choosing to care, to forgive, to support, and to love, even when it is not easy. Nakakapsap, kapamilya, this is something we cannot hold. The children we see running today, one day they will be the ones standing here, telling stories of us and what they remember. Sabay kumatanan, ibati ako ay pakalaglagipan ni Naida ng anak, ng istoryahan ng to, ng agyon ay pakaistoryaan ay pakalaglagipan. At ibati ako ng Naida, sumasaruno ay kapututan. Let us teach them not only our names, but our values. Respect for elders, love one another, pride in where we come from, and faith in where we are going. Because family that remembers its root will never be lost. Ang kananang Tagalog, ang taong marunong lilingon sa pinanggalingan ay makarating sa patutunguhan. Nang ipugaw ay nangamu ay mangmuli sa nagpuana, sigurado ay sa magbayana.
Kasi malipas naman yung
I always want to say this. Life is short. If there are misunderstanding, let us forgive. Ay wala, nisawat ako. Isakawat ako. Luwana. If there are distances, let us bridge them. If there are words, let us say, let us speak now. Baka wala na ano tunod nyo, hindi may baga. Ituwani ang tempo na, ay ibagay mo.
Ano tayo man?
When I wait for tomorrow to show love, see it today. Show it today. Live it today. Because in the end, when everything else fades, what will remain is family. Manggubat mo na manggubat. Susumbat na susumbat. Samitan ka po, diyan na. Pamilya mitain. Kapamilya ka mitain. Uray sino man mapasama. Pamilya mitain ng pagtagin, ng kabangin, ng badangan niya hindi kailangan niya. And today, seeing all of you here laughing, cooking, sharing food, sharing stories, I know that our family is alive, strong, and full of love. Let us continue. Let us continue together. Let us continue to support one another. Let us continue to grow, not just as individuals, but as one family. And may the next generation carry the same spirit forward, stronger, brighter, and even more united. Nakanapinin man ay
sorry man ang
Inola, dua di dance pa ko, dua niya napalabas. Ay, nadun na siya. Ah. Hindi, lumita ko na. At adot ako. Kung nailak, tanigin ko, kapoy mo. Na. At dati doon niya, ay tawag. 28 anniversary. Dapat 20 kumali, natidans pa ko. Tinawon mo tayo kapagpagyan, na. Wow. At kaya sabi, matikat ay mga salibong ko. Isnan na ay kalalaydan ay nasapatat ako dali. At
Nay, di punas.
masalit ako ng linglingan. Nang naya then na-fix sa reunion pa ko. Ay basta sa Badong Gloria, yung mga hindi kabalin, ay di pinatas pa ko ito tayo sukatan. Makay ko din pinatas pa ko ay sukatan. Wasa kapitpasan ay schedule na. At gawin sa ay na-i-fix. Ako sa bali ay activity. Naglakbawat ako na yagaw. Isang mabing sandot. Dan di kapabakyan di apa mga industry. Tayo bisyak, wadang tagal yung schedule ko. Doon may bakit acceptable. Naka-schedule na itinawan. Kung siya di, happy reunion.
Isang gift pa lang.